He has this everything, and I haven't seen my brother since a long time, and I would just want to thank you guys for getting me to 1,000 subscribers, and we're going to do some motos, and make sure for you guys to stay into and so I might start digging, but I haven't.
What are we going to do? Are we doing a
Supercross track?
A Sandbox Supercross track.
Another one of those, and I can't get.
We're breaking ground.
Yes, we need to do this.
Just Bo.
No.
Thought it was Michael Myers coming to get revenge, huh?
Because one time I knocked his face out.
You did?
And I just went right in his leg.
All right, so where are we gonna start this track at?
I think from right.
Oh, look at that sweet shirt you got on. What's up with that?
Oh, it's my merch. Dirtbike thing. You can get it, and we're actually gonna give a Dirtbike thing husky to somebody.
A toy husky, not a real
husky.
bike. We're gonna give away a brand new toy Dirtbike Dean.
Husky that has my numbers, and don't worry about that at all. I'm a subscriber, but I just want to do that, and I can climb it, but I'm not.
What do you got there? Your toy dirt bikes?
Yeah. Well, we have to build our super track.
All right. Bo, you gonna help him build the track?
Yeah, and hey guys, this is where we train to get stronger. We climb this rope right
yeah,
here.
they try to climb that rope.
I did
climb,
you
we
guys
climb
were
it,
doing.
and sometimes we even get pull-ups on the stick.
Yeah, sometimes we do that. So guys, this is going to be our hip jump. And we're just going to do this, get dirt over. So we're building the hip jump, and we have to just get dirt right here, and a double over there.
Yep. Bo found a worm.
But that we can use for fish baiting.
It's not a worm.
It's just a root. I thought it was an edible. He's hungry. So I got that.
Oh, this is weird. I'm trying to pull it out, and it just is pulling the skin.
I don't know. A lot of dirt there. spot, and we have a lot of dirt links from what the skid. I don't know what it's called.
Skid steer.
Dude.
Skid. You can't say it.
No.
Try again.
No,
Skid.
Skid steer. I'm just gonna keep doing this because we have way too much straight over here. And we'll see you in the next stop.
We're gonna have a supercross track, huh?
Mm-hmm. I know what I'm gonna use. So, hey guys, welcome back, and we got our track all set up, and I might give you a little tour with this one.
Who's that?
So this is Jason Anderson, and welcome back. So I might give you a tour.
That's a cool step up, like a little tabletop wall jump.
And then it goes bull turn, routes, and then bull turn. There's a lot of bull turns.
Free bull turns.
There's free bull turns.
And you got a triple.
Guys, welcome back. And I have Trey 6 in here. And he's going to show you that.
We got the track done.
So you just go rock.
Oh, he crashed.
And then this is your landing gear. So now
Show me the finish line double again.
the finish line double right here.
Where does it land?
Right here.
Ooh, that's awesome. So we go back over the starting area.
Alright, so now we're going to do a race with them.
Okay.
But I made him a flag.
Yep, that's the checker flag. Wait, introduce your racers. Who do we got?
So we have
Chase Sexton, we know we have him on a Honda. Who's that guy gonna be?
this one.
Yeah.
How about Dirtbike Dean?
Oh, Dirtbike Dean, that's a good one.
And this one should be Dirtbike Dean.
Okay.
And Chase Sexton. And this should be,
Ricky Carmichael?
yeah, Ricky Carmichael.
Okay.
If he rides one of those.
And then Ken Roxon,
King Roxon.
another Honda. And then that could be Eli Tomac, even though it's not number 3. He's on a black Yamaha.
Yep. It's Eli Tomac.
Okay.
Right.
30-second cards up. Gates are down.
That's cool.
Who got the whole shot? Dirtbike Dean?
Yep.
Oh, he used that as a step up, huh? Eli Tomac. Woo!
Daddy, I think we should make a track like this.
Like a real one?
Like this one.
Like on our track?
Yeah.
This one on our track.
That'd be pretty cool.
Yeah, it'd be so awesome. And Dirtbike Team still has the lead. All of them don't know the track yet, but so we're just doing a little practice. Their little practice. So they're just doing that. Still the first. Dirtbike's fast. Both Kelsey's might going to take the lead. Both Kelsey almost takes the lead. Leaving with, I don't remember his name, but
Who's that? Ken Roxon or Chase Sexton?
Ken Roxon.
He's in last?
Yep.
Ooh. Ken's got the comeback story. He ain't gonna let him just do him like that.
Ooh, now he's in last.
Is that Dirtbike Dean?
Yep.
He missed the triple?
He's
Single.
trying to do that.
He just singled through.
They're just doing their practice. So they're actually not winning yet.
Ken Roxon's gonna jump that triple. Whoa, double? Eli Tomac's got to be able to jump that triple then. Oh yeah, that was a sick triple.
Now for the big guys to do the practice.
Everybody's got to cross the finish line.
I'm just trying to put them over there.
Oh, Ricky Carmichael crashed out.
That's me. I'm just throwing them because I can't reach way over there. Well, I fit this. Thank you, Bo.
All right, we're getting the gate set for the 450 main.
They don't do any practice because they are really big and they can jump heavy, jump hold. Oh no! Don't, you're gonna break them. The work that the big guy makes. So these are our 450 racers. Dirtbike Dean, Honda. I'm just gonna say Kawasaki.
Jason Anderson.
Jason Anderson, Kawasaki, and both Kawasaki. And
30-second card is up. It's going sideways. Gates down.
So I don't think cool tricks are gonna make you win. It's not even just that.
He was doing a whip.
No, his front end when he landed went like that. And
Oh.
he did that.
Both sometimes want to show off.
Yep. Then he passed Chase. Ooh, here comes the biggie.
You crashing?
Yep, I'm crashing. They're not.
Oh, he jumped that triple easy. Oh! He hit neutral.
Yep, Bo, you hit neutral.
Bo's better than that. He ain't a neutral guy. Bo's gonna come back and win this race.
I am.
Show me the big Bo whip. Whoa! Who's that, Bo?
Yeah.
He's in the lead?
Yeah.
You gotta tell me who's where, buddy. I don't know.
And we're over there. I'm over here. Oh, no, you're not, Bo. He's in first gear the whole time. He upshifted to second. Hey, who's you? Look over there. I see Santa. Huh?
Who do you see? Santa?
Yeah, but he tricked him.
Oh, he tricked him.
Make Bo trick him, Dean, okay?
Oh.
Hey, there's a gopher over there. Look.
A gopher?
I'm not going to make him trick him. Ow!
Oh no, Dean crashed. Dean
That's
crashed.
a hospital crash.
Hospital?
Yep. Everybody off. You guys can go through the fence line. Then you guys have to get off. Oh. One, then. Neutral. Neutral.
Oh.
Now this bike's not working good. See, Daddy? One of these were in. Okay. That's what he keeps hitting.
Too much clay.
Yeah, too much clay. And he's not getting enough speed. His watch slow move.
Oh. That was the slow motion replay.
Wait, no, it is not a whoop. It is like this.
He got enough speed.
This front end just went like that.
Dean,
We're going to give away a random subscribers that is going to be lucky. A toy Dirtbike Husky that is autographed by me. But you have to like and subscribe, comment, and share. And parents are winners. And like and subscribe and hit that bell. And
Good luck, everybody.
good luck, everybody.
Dean's going to pick one at the end of the month. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Alright, bye. Not a real one. Guys.